How many secrets do you carry around every day? Your wallet, your phone, and some little secret. Oh, no, not that. This secret. Besides the ones that need to be put in the safe, you must have some secrets you write down that require proper protection. Introducing Lockbook, the world's first writing notebook with a biometric fingerprint sensor. Lockbook comes with a 0.40 inch by 0.55 inch fingerprint sensor with 508 dpi resolution. The biometric fingerprint sensor allows Lockbook to recognize your fingerprint and unlock within 1 second. When it is locked, no one can even try to take a peek. You can bring it wherever you want to. Your office, conference room, client's office, or anywhere else. For an innovative notebook, the product design is also top-notch. To provide you with a better writing experience, we chose the top quality paper for the pages inside, possibly the best in the world. For long-term convenience, we use the binder design and provide you with different accessories, like refill paper, a hole puncher, pocket folders, sticky notes, etc. Be as creative as you want to design your own notebook. Now we need your help to deliver Lockbook to you. Please help us turn Lockbook into reality so you can put as many secrets as you want in your notebook.